Busy, busy all day long. If somehow it feels a little wrong, then it may be good sense conveys. If we are frazzled, so are they. Calm down, take a breath, let the stress flow away. Just walk out the door for a part of the day, or maybe a week every once in a while. Let them spy, touch, explore and smile. Something healthy there is, something good, something healing in running, discovering, tasting and feeling, in knowing our world in all of its glory, from the tiny detail to the whole complex story. From the bird on the wing to the squirrel in the tree, the bug in the berry patch, fish in the sea, starlight, starbright and the man in the moon, rock, seed and flower and the wood thrush's tune. Take us out of ourselves, our ruts and our worries. Slow us down, turn us round, call us out of our hurry. Our children come full of questions, keen to see and touch and feel, craving true adventure in a world that's wide and real. Why does the bee sting? How does the sun shine? And where does it go at night? How does the goldfinch turn from grey to sunny yellow bright? It's not enough to read it, not enough to hear it said. It's not enough just to have the facts rattling round their little heads. So get them out in the sunshine, let them run in the rain, let them explore the world for themselves, and then we can explain. Give them freedom to examine, some space in which to roam. Let them pick up and bring their treasures to the nature table at home. 1,000 mysteries you'll find there, more than even you can master. Investigate together, let's explore is no disaster. So mum, dad, grandpa, grandma, uncle, auntie, teacher too, nanny, friend or neighbour, here's all you need to do. Get them out to the rocks and bugs and trees and away from pressures rife. Sprinkle in a little nature for the children in your life.